One of the most popular actors from the UK is Daniel Radcliffe. He is best known for his role as Harry Potter in the iconic film series based on J.K. Rowling's books. Radcliffe's portrayal of the young wizard catapulted him to international fame and made him a household name. Daniel Radcliffe predominantly acts in fantasy films, but he has also diversified his career by taking on roles in various genres. After the Harry Potter series, he ventured into drama, comedy, and even horror. Notable films include The Woman in Black, where he played a grieving widower, and Swiss Army Man, a quirky film where he starred alongside Paul Dano. His willingness to tackle diverse and challenging roles demonstrates his versatility as an actor. In terms of his personal life, Radcliffe was born in New York City, but moved to the UK when he was 5. He began acting at a young age and found fame with the Harry Potter series, which began when he was just 11. Despite his early success, he has remained grounded and continues to be involved in various philanthropic activities. Daniel Radcliffe's popularity can be attributed to several factors. First, his role in the Harry Potter series brought him immense global recognition and a loyal fan base. Secondly, his ability to reinvent himself with each new project keeps audiences intrigued and showcases his growth as an actor. Finally, his down-to-earth personality and commitment to various causes endear him to many, making him not just a talented actor, but also a well-respected public figure.